and we have FOMC news at 2 p.m. today. So I don't really expect to get any trade unless we like retrace down and make some good levels. Yeah, I mean, that's basically it. Like, there's not much to it today because we're at all-time highs. So I want to see some retraces here. I'll mark out some gaps. So this is a 4-hour unfilled. Maybe we can see a retrace down to here. Swing low right here. Yeah. Also, for some reason, I'm getting sick. I don't know how the hell that's possible. Yeah, really strange. Also, if I put in a trade, I'll show my top step X. That's one thing, like I was going back on the videos, and sometimes I don't show it. I'm like, bruh, like, what the flippin' am I doing? Okay, sorry. Let's keep going back to this. 15-minute unfilled right here. It's pretty good. Oh, this is London. Okay, so this is London low. Holy, like I literally can't breathe through my nostrils. It's insane. Okay, let's look at the 1 minute here. Yeah, I'm honestly not even gonna look for shorts unless like we see some crazy inverses here. Yo, I actually can't breathe, bro. Damn, it's insane. Okay, as I'm looking at the charts here, there's a bearish SMT with yes being the more bearish pair. Because what it do, NQ pumped past these all-time highs, and ES didn't. Yeah, ideally, I wanted to retrace back into this 15-minute gap so we can long to all-time highs. Just gonna mark out all-time highs for now. If we don't, I don't really see a trade today. Okay, yeah, I was right. I'll just double checking here, and FOMC is at 2 p.m. tomorrow, actually. Not even today, it's tomorrow. So there's nothing really to worry about today. There's no news today, but if we're gonna keep ranging like this, well, no point in taking a trade, realistically. Like, this is just capital preservation. ES is dumping. Look at this. Wow. And Q doesn't seem like it wants to follow for some reason. Like, okay.
All right, guys.
While we wait, I'm gonna see what TJR took because I saw on his story that he lost 150K yesterday. Like that is kind of crazy, but he's got motion like that, so it's not that deep. I really like him, but sometimes he does emotionally trade, or he gets back into a trade when he shouldn't. That's disappointing to see. I know we've been conditioned to think that like, oh, you can't get back into a trade, like it's like one and done. That's what a lot of people do. But this boy, I don't know, man. Like he's crazy. He's really good. He taught me everything, a lot, a lot of what I know. So like him like re-entering into trades, like it's kind of crazy. Okay, I see what TJR did here. So just looking over his trade, he's trying to short all-time highs, and that's a lot of mistake a lot of people make. I mean, I know he has a lot more experience than me, but in my experience, I don't want to short all-time highs unless there's a confirmation of a move down because he's trading like up here, like he's trying to get into this trade, let's say like over here. doing this, right? Like to take out like all the lows here, expecting price to go lower even though it's at all-time highs. So, I mean, that's a little crazy because I mean, it's not that crazy. Like a lot of people don't know like you shouldn't be longing at this. Like I've back tested it. If you don't feel comfortable like trading all-time highs, just don't trade it. Like literally take a break. Taking a break is better than wasting your money and risking your money to short markets when it's at conditions like this. We're like 20 points away from all-time high. The market seems to be trending like lower, lower and lower, but like it just doesn't make sense because if it reverses, boom, we're at all-time highs again. Like and it'll push up like even further. Especially us being at like oh wow. Okay. I actually marked out or I was thinking of looking at psych levels yesterday, and we actually did hit those psych levels, which is 16,000 or 26,000. When did we hit it? Wow, it was after New York PM. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that would have been way too long. Like I've been long gone. Yeah, so what ended up happening to TJR's trade is that it actually started going down, but it hit like a 5 minute gap and just dumped or it just shot up. Like it respected a 5 minute fair value gap and just went all the way up. And this is hopefully what we want to see right here with this 15, right? The 15 hits here, taps, 5, sweeps this, and then we start heading up to all time highs, and then we can take longs to all time highs. Yeah, so TTR is down $343,000 on the month. I mean, he's up like a couple mil the last year, but yeah, I'm not hating because I wish I had his motion, but like soon. That's just soon. Don't even worry. But yeah, just unfortunate. I don't know. Hopefully we can get a good trade here to all-time highs. That's the goal. There we go. We're getting good volume now. Okay. I'm gonna hop off freaking YouTube. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna tap into this 15, which is very nice. Very nice. It's exactly what I want to see. Just gotta be patient. Come on, man. What the flip? We're like about to get this tap and it just doesn't. But yeah, I'm gonna mark out these relative equal internal highs. Just start marking out zones here for try to take out on my top step, on my top step. Like I'll show you guys this once I get into a trade. Just easier to do the analysis on TradingView, but the levels are marked out like this, and all-time high. Here, look. Bang. So if it breaks this line, or if it sweeps this line, like it goes lower, we can start looking for longs. That's probably the most ideal situation. Okay, I can actually breathe now, which is generational. I hope I don't jinx it. Okay, finally tapped into this 15. Let's go. Let's go. So 1 minute till this 5 minute candle closes. Excuse me, god damn. 6 minutes until the 15 closes. We're getting pretty strong displacement up. Honestly, I wouldn't mind taking a trade off this. Like if ES sweeps London low here, that would be ideal, like making this SMT. Right, because ES sweeping it and Q doesn't. I mean, we have this huge bullish SMT. Okay, we're seeing some nice volume here. This is like really nice volume to the upside. I would be willing to take this trade. Oh, we actually closed the 5. Am I geeking? Okay, and it starts pumping. Like, I think I will take this trade just because it's like,
Order filled.
oh my,
Order filled.
what? What? Wait, why did it close me out so early? No way. I just got in right before this pump. What? I mean, I'm happy I got in right before this pump, but like, come on, bro. My final TP was at. Wait, did I even? Oh shit! Wait, I got filled at 102. Wait, no. This is the craziest shit I've seen. Okay, so final TP. Yeah, I'm fucking off for the day. Like, what the hell was that? Okay, I think we need like. What the hell? That's actually insane. Okay, I'm like actually shocked. So it filled me in here. Like this was my fill 102.25. So up 962 for the day. Like wow, I'm actually shocked that happened. And this was supposed to be my stop loss was at the very bottom of this move. Could have even put it at this candle, but I think our protected lows is this swing low that it created here. And what do we see? Wait, actually my fill was like a little bit higher. It was 154, like right around here. 154. Oh, it was exactly 154. Okay. Bruh, come on. Okay, there we go. So this was the fill. This was going to be the trade. This is what I had in mind, but our TP smacked right here for an extra like 6 points, I think. Yeah, 6 points, which is crazy. Wow. Okay. I mean, I'm really happy with that. Really happy, right? What do we do? We had an SMT with ES. So what was I looking at here? I was looking at Trading View, or sorry, on Trading View. Here, it's easier to see on Trading View. Yeah, I'm sure this will work too. So just looking at NQ here, these lows right here, where I have this line right here, is this. Oh no. Sorry. So these lows right here created an SMT right here with NQ because look, this is 850. These lows right here, they're all the way down on ES, and it's all the way up here on NQ. So this is a bullish SMT, right? That's confluence number one. 15-minute gap tapped into the 15-minute gap. That's confluence number two. And then we had our drawn liquidity, which was all-time highs, which is confluence number three. Actually, it's reversal as orders. So it's drawn liquidity, right? All-time highs. 15-minute gap, good. And then just to give us some extra confidence, we do have that bullish SMT. So overall, did want to take a trade, especially with this pump, like with this strong candle close here, right? This like 20 points. We were seeing some chop, and then we broke out of the chop after hitting this 15-minute gap. Got in a little late, honestly. Like I should have got in here. This should have been my entry. No, my entry was a little higher. It was 54, right around here. Bruh, come on. Don't do this to me. Like that. With stops at this low, TP at this high. So it was almost a 2 to 1. It was a 1 point. All right, bruh. All right. Okay. I'm not even gonna say that, but yeah. And my fill, my TP fill was right here, which is kind of crazy. Very happy with that. Caught 48 points today. Thank you guys. See, patience is a virtue. It also kills in the market, right? Because if you're too patient, if you don't take these risks, like we know we're gonna go up, break even was right around here at this, like creating the CISD. That's what I was thinking. I was gonna mark this out. Didn't even have to because we got wicked into our take profit anyway. Got a very lucky fill to all-time highs because if we didn't, we'd still be in this chop and probably would have got stop break even, which was yeah, very nice. Very nice, very nice. Very happy with that trade. Okay, guys. Thank you for sticking around. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, we can get this account passed by tomorrow because tomorrow is actually my last day before my billing date, which is kind of crazy. But I'm not going to force anything because now that we're so close to getting the combine, like it's not worth really taking anything if it's not like 100% guaranteed. How much do I even need left? So I'm at 2.3. I need 600. 600 left. Day win 100%. 70% win rate. Yeah, I started off the month really bad. Like I was down almost 1,000 on my account. Actually, I thought I made it past 1,000. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, so I made $200 earlier on this account, right? Started dropping, like taking bad trades. Took a decent trade here and then dumped. Like I took an $800 loss. And then we're getting these wins like back to back to back, thankfully. And yeah, really excited. Really excited. Hopefully, you can start making money with these accounts or this account. I got some resets for my account. Right, let's see. Let's see my stats here. Okay, this is brutal. Like average losing trade 380, average winning trade 388, best trade was actually Friday, and worst trade was the one I took here, as you can see. If you guys want, I mean, I don't have anyone watching right now, but like leave a comment down below if you guys want to see me like go over my trading journal because I've been tracking everything and that'll honestly be good for me. Like I was reflecting on it yesterday, just seeing like the bad trades I took and I don't know if you guys want to see me go over it. Yeah, I'm down. I'm definitely down for that. So locked on my account. Bang! Done for the day. Thank you guys. Have a good one. I'll see you guys tomorrow.